Hello and welcome. So I have no electric right now. I don't really know what to do with myself, so I did just buy a pattern by Kopoi Studio. She has a Sicilia top, which is her new pattern release thing, I think. But I have the yarn, I have the hook. I might as well do something that uses my brain, because this is my other project right now, and doing the same thing over and over again whilst I have no other distractions is boring. So I'm just gonna do this. Luckily I bought this the other day, so I can use it for something, because I had no plans with it. After making my pineapple lace dress, I had an extra ball of yarn. I'm clearly stressed right now. So I'm gonna need to use my phone to look at the pattern, because the only Wi-Fi, I should download it and send it to my iPad. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I got it. Much easier. Right. I've missed 2 stitches, which means I have to frog it all the way back to the beginning of the last row, and that's really annoying to me. I think it's because I was on the phone to my boyfriend. And here, this is what it's looking like, and the electric's still not on. It's been a minute. I'm getting a bit bored now. I really hope it comes on. Okay, so I've been working on it without documenting anything, but this is one side done. I have connected the shoulder. That's what it looks like, and I need to connect this one now. I literally just finished it. I will do better recording my process from now. I just have not had the chance because I've been doing this. This has taken me like a whole day. What the heck? What the heck? Right, so from there, I don't know what I need to do, but I will just keep going and show you. So my next step is to do 16 of this repeating pattern. So I'm gonna go make a coffee and just sit and watch HV podcast, because they have a new video out, and do this. I'm not sure how long it'll take. It's only 5 repeat row. Got my coffee. I'm having such a sad girl day today, so I look like shit. Look at these. But I'm gonna watch my thing, crochet, relax, make some yummy dinner, and come back to tomorrow, the new day. I'm hoping to finish this over the weekend, and then next week I'll have a new project. I already have one in mind using this color. Green. I just love green, and it's such a nice feeling to it as well. Can't wait to show you. I'm hoping to do like one project a week. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. And then maybe, I was thinking earlier, on a Sunday I'll show you my whips and my latest project that I've done, and that's it. I think that's what I want to do. So on a Monday or a Tuesday, and on a Friday I want to do, because then I'll work on the weekend, finish it on the weekend. So on a Friday we'll get a whips and project. So I've done the 16 repetitive repeating whatever it is. I've done the 16 stitches, but it doesn't fit me. This is for a size medium, and it does say adjust it until it does fit 2 centimeters smaller than my actual waist size. So I have to do like another few. So it only goes to there, which is crazy, but we'll do a few more because we want to get it perfect. I did it. I'm gonna go make some dinner, feed the puppies, and keep going. Look, my little oh, why does this happen all the time? Look at this puppy. Look at the puppy. Oh. Look at the puppy dog. She's so cute. She's so cute. She's annoying, but she's so cute. Ooh. All right, let's feed you. I finally finished the peplum. I did stop at just the single crochet row because I don't want the frilly bits at the bottom. I am worried it's too long also. So I'm going to join them all together, try it on, and then if I don't like the length of it, I will just undo the rows. Maybe like 1 or 2, just have like a shorter top. But right now it is time to connect them all together. Ooh. And it is going to be difficult. But I have my stitch markers. Aligning things together is like one of the most difficult things for me, apparently. It's my bedtime. I can't do it anymore. I really wanted to finish it. Ugh. Boot. I did manage to get most of the way. All I have left to do is the armhole border and the strings. And I did try it on before and it is lovely. It's such a nice fit and the length is fab. I'm so excited about this one, and I will be making them in other colors. It's really cute. She did such a good job with this pattern. I can't stop yawning. Excuse me. I'm gonna go to bed, but here we go. So the ties in the front and then the armholes. That is it. So in the morning I'll come say hi. I'll show you what it looks like in better lighting because you can't see nothing. And it'll probably take me an hour, 1 more hour. And I'm done. Oh my god, yay. And then I get to start a new project. I'm catching up slowly with everything, so this is great. I'm very happy. Alright, here we are in the morning, and I have just noticed it's covered in dog hair, which is very upsetting. But I just want to show you in the light. How gorgeous is that? Gorgeous! I'm going to do the armholes right now, and then do the straps. I'm also gonna do my yoga this morning, but I want to drink my coffee and crochet for a little bit before I do that. So I'm nearly done with my top. I just need to do the straps, but I was looking for the bikini top that she had underneath on the photo, and I couldn't find it anywhere. It's attached to the freaking pattern at the end. Oh my god. So I'm going to finish this, do the bikini top, and then show you guys what it looks like. I'm so happy that she added this because I really didn't want to find a different style of bikini to match it. It just matches with her design. Yay. Okay, so I just did my sleeves. I'm a bit slow this morning. I did just upload a reel to YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, so I'm catching up with all my stuff. Once I finish this today, I might do the straps and then work on the video I gotta upload for YouTube, because it takes about 3 hours because the Wi-Fi is so slow and it's already like 9 a.m. and I kind of want it done by the afternoon. So I'll do the straps, work on it, bikini top, and then I gotta work on this video for Friday. I'm a busy girl, but then I get to start a new project. I love crocheting. So I'm done with my tassels. I'm going to show you what it looks like on without the top underneath. I'll just put my bikini on for this. I am missing 2 more straps at the top. She added tassels to the end, but I'll do that another time because I do want to get on with editing my videos and it's not too necessary right now. I did it! I finished it! Look how cute she is! Look at her! Honestly, one of my favorite crochet tops that I've ever made. And she also had this crochet bikini top to go matching. I did have to stop recording the process because it was taking me so long. I just made this bikini top this morning. I was like in full focus mode. I'm sorry if the dogs are loud, but yeah, I finished it, and now that's one thing down this week. On to the next. But I hope you like this video, and I definitely recommend making one of these because she also has like a long top version, but that won't be any good for me in 35-degree heat. So I think this is perfect, and if I get too hot I can take it off. Dogs! But I was saying it won't be any good for me in 35-degree heat, so I just made the short sleeve version, and it is probably something I'm always gonna wear, which I never do. Probably my first ever piece that I really like. And she has such pretty patterns. I'll be making most of them for my next little chapter in life down by the coast. They're the perfect summer wardrobe pieces. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything you would like me to add in my vlogs or whatnot, then please comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions and recommendations, I guess. Yeah. Thank you for watching and get this far, and I'll see you in the next one.